how to develop belief as an entrepreneur to be able to grow your business, quit your job, and have the time and financial freedom that you desire. Now, in a previous video, we talked about the 3 major things that men must implement in order to create the results that they want in business, to be able to quit their job and build their businesses. Now we're going to dive into stage number 1, which is believe. Believe is the stage that majority of entrepreneurs skip over. And the reason why majority of entrepreneurs run in circles, chase their tails, never make the money, never get the results that they want, continue to second guess and question themselves, bang their head up against the wall and chase their tail 24/7. We call that the vicious cycle of entrepreneurship. And there's ways to overcome this. And in today's video, we're going to be going over a couple steps for you to implement in order to overcome having your beliefs keep you trapped, the barrier of belief. Now, what this barrier of belief looks like is you tell yourself you can't do it. You second guess yourself. You doubt yourself. You don't take the action that you want. You don't get the results that you want because your beliefs lead to your actions and your actions lead to your results. Every time you're not taking action, you're not getting results before your beliefs. Your beliefs precede it all. So if you don't have your beliefs on your side, it's going to be very difficult and very hard for you to create anything. I know because I know when I first started in business, I dropped out of college after my sophomore year. I started an auto detailing business. I didn't believe it was possible. I just kind of paid money to get auto detailing certification, started knocking on doors, and I started washing cars for like $2 an hour. And it sucked. And I doubted myself and I second guessed myself. And I continued to question if I was actually worthy of it, if I could achieve it. And these are where the deep rooted subconscious beliefs come into play. It's like, am I worthy? Can I accomplish it? Can I actually do it? And I had these doubts and I didn't realize that they were there. But then I came across the power of the mind and the power of our beliefs. And I realized that I was trapping myself, and I found the ways and uncovered the ways in order for me to stop trapping myself. And what it first starts with is looking at your current results. This is it. So for you, what are your current results? Maybe you've wanted to start a business for a while, or maybe you have started a business, but you're only making a couple $1,000s per month in your business. Or maybe you're not making anything right now in your business. Awesome. Those are your current results. Want to be an entrepreneur? Not making any money. So if those are your results, then what are your beliefs? It's hard to make money as an entrepreneur. I can't make money as an entrepreneur. And this is a work that you're going to do for yourself. But what are those beliefs? Looking at your results. I'm only capable of making a couple $1,000s per month as an entrepreneur. Awesome. You clearing those beliefs. And I'm just giving you examples here. Then you go deep into where did those beliefs come from? Where did these stories come from? And you could look at childhood. This is where beliefs are formed. Experiences, things that you see, hear, and experience over repetition. My parents only made a couple $1,000s per month. That's the most that they've ever made. And that's what they're making right now. The people around me only made a couple $1,000s per month. Everyone always told me entrepreneurship was hard and entrepreneurship was a challenge and I couldn't get it done. And it just, people can't make it happen. And it's supposed to be hard and it's supposed to be a struggle. And you really look into these beliefs and where these things and where these stories came from that didn't allow you to actually fully believe in yourself to get these results that you want in life. And it goes deeper into beliefs, but let's stop right there. So you look at that. Awesome. Now you get clear on why the beliefs, we're disproving these beliefs, why those beliefs aren't true. So if your belief is it's hard to make money as an entrepreneur, you can only make a couple $1,000s per month. It's supposed to be a struggle. It's supposed to be a challenge. I am not worthy of it because I wasn't born in entrepreneurship. Whatever these stories are, and trust me, I know. I grew up with a dad who was in and out of jail and on drugs, a single mother who was making $15 an hour raising me and my sister. So I understand all the money stories and all the beliefs and all the struggle that we can continue to keep ourselves in because of what we experienced in the past. But what you can do now is disprove these beliefs by looking at others who have actually achieved the results that you wanted. And you can look at this person has done it and this person has done it. And this talks to your conscious mind. So you actually start to believe that it's possible for you. This person has done it. I am capable. And then step number 5, I guess what we're on, is you are now reprogramming your belief system. I am capable. Things like affirmations. I am worthy of achieving these goals. I am a successful entrepreneur. I am capable of becoming a successful entrepreneur. I am a successful entrepreneur. I am an entrepreneur making $5,000 per month. I'm an entrepreneur making $10,000 per month. Big enough to excite you, small enough to believe it's possible. So your mind starts to get reprogrammed, right? You're not going to go, I'm an entrepreneur making $1 million a year if you're not making any money in business right now because your mind's not going to truly believe it. But start to reprogram your mind through affirmations, through these new words, things that you're telling yourself, through these new stories and these new beliefs that you've created for yourself. I am capable. I am capable of making it happen. And why are you capable? You looked at proof of other people. If you don't reprogram your belief system, then you're going to continue to keep yourself stuck and you're going to continue to run in circles. So to reiterate what you're going to be doing, just to make it clear, and we're just going to break it down for you, is, and make sure to subscribe if you're watching this right now. Obviously you are because you're listening, but make sure to hit that subscribe button. Is, what are my current results? What are my current beliefs that created these results? Where did these beliefs come from? Why are these beliefs false? What are my new beliefs? And we'll put the questions down below. And 6, you start to reprogram your mind with the new beliefs. 7, you take that next action step in accordance to these new beliefs. Simple as that. You start to move because now you're proving to yourself and you're creating this new identity for yourself. I'm a successful entrepreneur. You're creating new habits. And the way that you really program your identity is by taking action and being able to look back every single day. I'm an entrepreneur, successful entrepreneur because I'm doing this. Even if it's putting a post up, I put my first post up. I'm building towards entrepreneurship. I invested in this. I'm building towards entrepreneurship. And if you're an entrepreneur and you find yourself stuck, or you want to become an entrepreneur and you find yourself stuck right now and you're not sure what's holding you back, make sure to click on the link in the description or the comment section to set up a 10-minute call with me or someone on my team, and we'll help you out, get you clear on what's holding you back, and possibly open up the authority of the Power and Purpose Accelerator for you guys, where we've helped hundreds of other guys go from just ideas, not believing themselves, no businesses, to being able to build multiple 6-figure businesses. I'll share a clip at the end of this video. This is where it starts though. And this is your starting point. You must gain belief in yourself. So go through those steps that I just went over. Share in the comments down below if you want a PDF or an outline of how to do that, and start to reprogram your mind with these beliefs that are required. I am a successful entrepreneur. I am making $5,000 per month in business. I am making $10,000 per month in business. Reprogram your belief system in order to crack the code for yourself so you achieve the results that you're after. It's all possible. Again, we've helped hundreds of guys do this. I've done it myself, so I know that it's possible for you. And if you want to set up a 10-minute call, make sure to click on the link in the description or in the comments in order to do that. And we have our 4 barriers training as well. The free 4 barriers, which are the 4 barriers that hold back entrepreneurs from actually building their businesses and creating the results that they want, that keep you trapped running in circles. Make sure to click on the link in order to gain access to that as well. Subscribe, hit the notification bell. My name is George Bohar. Develop the beliefs. And I will catch you, my friend, in the next video. And you can click around here to see the other videos that are in conjunction to this, especially the one that's going over the 3 ways in order to build your business and quit your job. I'm out.